This is our restaurant application, and this is the icon. Just double click. When you open the software, here the user's name will be here, and we have one admin user, that is the master user. You can put admin and password is 9999. Okay, then click here. The system will log in, and these are the master settings we have to do for our software. And here we are setting users in the master. Okay, for the operator or the counter user, we have to create the users here. Users, here you have to give the username like Mustafa. Username same Mustafa. Password I put 123. Password 123, and you can choose is a cashier. Okay, hide in touch login means if you tick here, so when the login screen comes, this name will not come here. Okay, so you can choose whether it should come in the login screen or not. Otherwise you have to manually you have to type the name and you have to put the password. Now here you have to give the access to this company. Okay, then save. Okay, so now user is created. Now you have to give the permission for the user, so assign permissions. Okay, then you can see here the username. So these are the options, so you can choose which options this person wants. Void KOT, void item, change price, split KOT, reprint, credit post, discount, open drawer, complementary settlement, remove quantity, all we can check and you can give the permission. So this is the method to create the normal users. Okay, so if you want to change the password which you already log in, you can change here, change password. Okay, so no other settings need to change. This is the basic setting. Then coming to the menus that we are going to sell the items, we are creating here in the inventory. First we have to create the master category, then category master, then menu master. So in the master category, when you click here, so these are your master category. All the products, all the subcategories coming under this master category. So we have food, fresh juices, general, hot beverage, liquor, salads, soft drinks. We have some master categories. If you want to add more category, click here, add the new master category. Okay, then enter. If you want to add more, again click here, add, enter, again click here, enter. Okay, after entering all the master category, then you can click on this save button. Okay, also if you want to change already saved any the master category, you can just double click, you can change, double click, you can change, or if you want to delete, just click here, right click, cut. Okay, after all these operations you can click on save. So master category created. Now once you create the master category, you can create the category master. So these are the category master. So here like okay, so see we have liquor is a master category. Under liquor you can create subcategory like wine, vodka, whiskey, and fresh juices. Under fresh juices we can create orange juice, apple juice, like that. All you can create the subcategories. Okay, so here we have to create like fresh juices like orange juice. No, sorry, under fresh juices and there is no same fresh juice will come. It's mainly it's a liquor, like liquor is an example. So under liquor master category, like you have these options. So just put the category name, what for example and it's coming under liquor. Then you have to choose this option also, menu category, then you can save. Okay, if you want to edit anything, the existing one, these are the code, you just put the code here, enter, so the details will come. You can change the master category, then you can save it again, or you can delete also, or if you double click here, that also possible, then save. So once you create the master category and subcategory, like master category and category, then we can create the menus. So this is the option, menu master. This item master is mainly for what are the items we are purchasing for the stock purpose and all. Okay, so this is the menu master. Okay, so here we can give the menu name like chicken burger. Okay, Arabic name no need. Here you can choose the category, under which category this chicken burger should come. So I put like food. There is food is there. Fresh juice, hot beverage. Okay, it is not here, so I will create one food items. I will create under food. Okay, so from here also we can add the category. Okay, then once you create the category, you can create the category from here also. From when you click plus, here you can create. Okay, then you can choose the category like food items. Then here barcode, you don't have to do anything, just click here, then just press enter key. So that one code will automatically system will generate, and additional charges no need. Then coming to quantity type, we can choose from here like numbers, and pieces per type always 1. Then the KOT printer, if you want to print the menu to the kitchen, so you can choose the kitchen printer, or you can put it none. Then here the approximate cost for the making this chicken burger like 4 dirhams. Okay, then here see there is two option. One is you can put the including price, or you can put the prices without tax. So if this option is strict TAT calculation, that means total after tax calculation. If it is tick, then you cannot enter the before tax amount. You have to here only you can enter, like including tax you want to sell in 7 dirhams. So see, the 7 dirhams means it's a including tax. Suppose if you don't want to put the rate like including tax, then you can untick this option and you can manually add here also. Now I am just entering the selling rate here, that is for the dine-in, and for the takeaway how much, and for the online like Talabat and all, if you want to sell in another rate, you can put another rate here. Okay, otherwise you can put all the rates same. Okay, then after this all this fill, then you can click on this save button. So only these are the fields you have to enter. Now I will show you the before tax calculation also. I will untick this one, and here I will put like my selling price is 5 without tax. Okay, I put 5, so automatically system will calculate the tax, and this will be the end price. Okay, I will put 5, I will put 5. Okay, so this item code will come automatically, no need to change anything. Just put the item name, then select the category, then select the tax category, standard tax or zero tax, whatever. Okay, then the barcode, that is automatically will come. Just come to this barcode column and press enter key. then select numbers, then always 1, then the QWERTY printer. If there is no QWERTY printer required, click none, then the cost of the product, then selling price either without tax or with the tax. If it is with the tax, then you have to tick this option, then you can put the values here, or if it is without tax, without tax, you have to untick this option, then you can manually enter here. After that, you can save here. Okay, once you save, if you want to edit, then you can either you can enter the item code here like 4, then press enter, the details will come here. Okay, if you don't know the name or the if you don't know the number, then you can go to this find menus, and here you can put like a chicken burger ch. Yeah, I not saved, that's why it's not coming. Okay, if you put C, all the names starting from C, it will come here. So you can just double click, so the screen will come here. If you want to change anything, you can change, like if you want to change the category, you can change. You can, if you want to change the cost, you can change, and the selling price you can change without tax or without tax, whatever you want to change, you can change here, then you can save. Okay, if you want to delete, you can delete this also. Or another option, you have this option, you can see the back, what are the items you created just before. Okay, like this. Now here one more option is there. Now if I put C, all the names starting from C will come here. Suppose if you want to know that somewhere in the name you put the shorts, so all the names having the shorts word should come. So what I have to do, you have to put a percentage, then shorts, short. Okay, so here wherever this short name is coming in the name, item name, it will come here. See, so just double click, it will come here. Okay, so this way we are creating the menus. So once you create the master menu master, then now we can create the tables for the dining. So for that, you can go to other master. First we have to create the table group, then we have to create the table names. So the table group we can add like this, tables. Okay, then family rooms, just click here, save. Okay, if you want to edit, you can put the number, the code here, the change, or you can delete, or you can save. Okay, like this you can create the groups, table groups. Once table groups created, then you can create the table names under each group. Now see, table 1, table 2, table 3 under tables. Now here you can choose family 1 under family rooms. Okay, so this way you can create the tables and table groups. Okay, and there is another options like remarks flags and reasons flags. This remarks flags means when you are punching the items, if you want to add any remarks or something, you can add all remarks here. See, just click here, you can add whatever you want, enter, again whatever you want, again. So when you are punching any items, all the remarks, instead of typing, you can just choose from this list. Okay, then click save. And same way also there is a reason master also. Sometimes you are cancelling the QWERTY, cancelling the items, so the system will ask you the reason why you are cancelling. So all that reasons flag you can add it here, you can add here, just click here, add the reason, enter, again add the reason. This is all the master reasons you are adding. So when you are cancelling or deleting any item, this list will come, you can choose any one of this. Okay, so once now we create the users, we create the master settings like tables, table groups, remarks, reasons. Then we create inventory, master category, category master, and the menu masters. Once all this we finish, then we can start selling the start using the software like as a counter. Okay, now I will open the software in the user mode. Now I have this two user, Mustafa and Central. So we can choose, I will choose Central, then 1 2 3, click here. So this is the screen for the user. So first we have to create the day. Once you start the software, you have to click here, day process, then you have to click on open day. Now this is already open, that's why it's you cannot open again. Okay, once you finish your sales in the night, you have to click on this close day. So all the day end report you will get. Once you create open the day, then you have to open the cashier also. So in cashier shift, you have to open the cashier. Now this cashier is already open, so you cannot open again, only you can close. When this cashier finish, they can close the cashier, so they can see how much sale under this person as a cashier, how much cash he has to give to the management. Okay, now this day is open, cashier is open. Now we can see how we can make the dining. I click on dining. So here see, we already created two table group, family rooms and tables. First we have to create we have to select the table. Okay, I will click on tables. So once I click on tables, it will show me the table numbers 1 2 3 4 5, like this, that. So if you have more tables, you can go to master and you can create more tables. Okay, now I choose table 3. Once you select the table, then the category will come here. So we have gin, hot beverages, rum, salad, etc. So I choose rum. So when you select the rum category, then all the items under rums will come here. So you can choose like this, click here, click here. So added items will come here. So if you have more quantity, like this one, more quantity, just keep clicking on the item, or you can click here plus, or if you want to remove, minus, or if you want to completely delete this item, you can click this button. Suppose if you want to change the price, now this is 25 without tax. Okay, now if you want to change the price, click here, choose the item you want to change. Okay, click the item you want to change, click here, right, then change rate. Now this rate came. Now I will put 30 dirhams. I put 30, then press tick. So this 30 rate came. So there is two option, change rate and change rate including tax. So if you put change rate, it will change the before tax value. If you put change rate including tax, so whatever the rate you are putting, that will be including tax. Okay, once it is all added, then you can click here save. So it's already saved. Now we can see when you click on tables, so this screen, the color will be changed. So that means this table you are serving. If you want to add more item, just click here. You can go to this category, can choose the item, then again you can add more items, then again you can save. Okay, Now suppose this is a cash customer. If you want to add the name of the customer, here you can click here. So here the customer, already you created customer will come here. If there is no customer here, then you have to create the customer first. Okay, then go to their customers. So here customer name should come. You have to enter test customer. Okay, then here AE then cash price applicable. Only these fields you have to enter. Okay, other fields if you want you can enter, like their mobile number, email ID. If you want you can enter, but these are the fields you have to fill compulsorily. Okay, and this customer ID is coming automatically, no need to change anything here. It's automatically system generated number. Then you can save here. So once you save, then when you come back, when you click here, then that customer will come here. So you can just double click, customer name came, then you can save. Okay, once okay, that remarks, say if you want some to add some remarks, like if you are ordering, if you are adding any food items. Okay, if you want to add some remarks or something like more spicy, more less spicy, like that, then you have to click here remarks. So these are the master reasons, remarks we added in the master. Okay, less salt, more ginger, more spicy, no sugar, like that. Okay, just double click, click here, then okay. So when you are printing the KOT to the kitchen, so that's remarks also will print. Okay, and these are the main options. Now if you want to settle, like the customer finishing everything, now you want to give the bill to the customer. So one option is you can click here tables, you can click here, then you can click on this print button, or if you click here pending, all the pending tables will come here. You can choose the table, then you can click on this print button. Okay, once you print and give it to the customer, and once he pay, so you can again you can open that pending table, then click on this settle. Okay, you have two option, either cash or credit card or combination. Okay, now this is 257.6. For example, customer is paying full credit card, you can just click here in the credit card box, it will automatically come. Then you can choose Visa or Master, then click on this button. Or if you want, if the customer is paying half, like a half cash or some cash balance is credit card, then click settle. Cash I put 100, sorry, then balance credit card, Visa, click here. So the bill will settle and the table will clear. Now this table 3 is finished. Okay, and one more thing is there. So now for example this table is serving, and now if you want to delete this KOT, customer is cancelling. Okay, so here there is option void. Void means the complete bill, not bill, the complete KOT we can cancel. Just click here void. Okay, do you want to delete void? Yes, then it will ask you the reason why you are deleting. So you can choose the option, then okay. So all the tables now clear. So this is the route to make the dining transactions. Okay. Now for the once finishing all the dining and all, in the admin part they can check all the reports. We can go here, sales view. You can see everyday sales. You can put the date here. Okay, then you can see all the invoices here like this. You can see here total, how much total paid, how much balance, and this is source, and this is KOT reference number. When you click on this, you can see each bill, what are the items. Suppose if you want to see a particular customer sales, then you can click here. You can choose the find the supplier customer name, double click, put the date. So only that customer sales will come here. So here you have lots of options. You can take the report, sales report like that, but this will come only for this customer. So for example, if you want to take the report for all the sales, okay, then just click here. Okay, now from this date to this date, I want to print all the report, all the sales, general sales report. So you can see all the reports like this. Okay, there is many kind of different kinds of reports is there. And for VAT and destination fee info, same, you can open here. You can see here total, how much total before tax, then the tax amount, then the destination fee, and the total invoice amount, and the discount. If you applied in discount, then total sales. So there is another option also there, item sales summary. You can see the summary of from this date to this date. You can print out the summary reports like sales source, dining, category wise. Also you can choose which category you want to see. If you want all category, you can select all, click OK, then submit. So you will get the quantity, total quantity, how much total quantity sold for each items. You can see here. Okay, same way, if you tick this enable POS reports and click on this one, item sales summary, you will get the report in the small printer. Then there is OP summary, operator summary. When you click on this operator summary, you will get the report from this date to this date. This is day summary. You have to untick this enable POS report, then click on OP summary to see in the screen. If you want to print in the printer, you can tick that option, enable POS printer, then you can directly print. So here you can see the total dine-in, how much, net sale, and the discount applied, cash receipts, Visa card, how much, total collections, how much. All reports you can see here. And you have day summary, the detailed day summary you can see here. Now one more thing, I will show you the discount, how we are applying the discount. Central 1 2 3. Okay, dining. Okay, table 1. For example, I added items, then I save. Then after, when the time of settlement, customer is saying that I need discount, or you are giving any discount. Okay, open the table. Now his amount is 45 plus tax plus destination fee, total 50.4. Now for example, if you want to give some 10% discount, okay, on this total amount, so click on this discount, percentage 10. This is percentage wise 10. Okay, so 10% of 45 is equal to 4.5. So it will minus this one, then the 40.5 is the grand total, and on 44.5 the what will calculate 2.25, and the destination fee will calculate 2.84, and the total amount is 45.59. Then you save this one. Then after that you can print. Once the print is given to the customer and once he pay, he can settle the invoice also. So this is the basic routes for operating this restaurant software.